channel. My name is Derek Steven Sawano, and simply you can call me Efo Kojo. As you already know, I am an Ewe guy from the Volta region of Ghana. I speak Ewe, and I used to teach staffs in Ewe. And today we are learning about family relation, and this is the part 3, family relation part 3. And in today's episode, we are going to look at family relations by marriage. Family relations by marriage. Wait, before we dive straight into the business of the day, please, I want you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first to watch. Thank you. Let's go straight to today's business. In Ewe, how do we call brother-in-law in Ewe? Brother-in-law in Ewe is called Nyo. Nyo. That's brother-in-law. Nyo. So let's go to father-in-law. Father-in-law in Ewe is called To. To. Father-in-law, To. What about mother-in-law? Mother-in-law in Ewe is called Lonho. Lonho. That's mother-in-law, Lonho. So what about the elder brother or elder sister to your spouse? How do we call it in Ewe? An elder brother or sister to your spouse in Ewe is called Stronga. Stronga. That's the elder brother or sister to your spouse. Okay, then what about a junior brother or sister to your spouse? A junior brother or sister to your spouse in Ewe is called Strondia. 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 Okay, so let's go to this one. Grandson. Grandson. A grandson to a woman or a granddaughter to a woman in Ewe is called Mama Yovi. Mama Yovi. That's a granddaughter or son to a woman. Okay, so what about a grandson or a daughter to a man? A grandson or a daughter to a man in Ewe is called Togbi Yovi. Togbi Yovi. To a woman, Mama Yovi. To a man, Togbi Yovi. What about a stepson or daughter? A stepson or daughter in Ewe is called Ati Komavi. Ati Komavi. Alright, I know you get that. So let's go over so that you get it once and for all. Like you know how we do it. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell if you don't understand anything. If you have something that you want to know how to mention it in a way, write it down in the comment section. I'm going to leave my number too so that you contact me on WhatsApp and I'll be glad to teach you. Thank you. So family relation by marriage. Family relation by marriage. A brother-in-law is called Nyo. Nyo. That's brother-in-law. Nyo. Nyo. Okay. So father-in-law is called To. To. Father-in-law. To. Mother-in-law. Lonho. Lonho. Mother-in-law. Lonho. Can you say that? Lonho. Okay. So an elder brother or sister to your spouse. An elder brother or sister to your spouse is called Stronga. 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 That's an elder brother or sister to your spouse. So a junior brother or a junior sister to your spouse is called Strondia. Strondia. Can you say that? Strondia. Yes. Okay. So a grandson or a granddaughter to a woman is called Mama Yovi. Mama Yovi. Can you say that? Mama Yovi. Repeat it after me. Mama Yovi. Okay. So a grandson or a granddaughter to a man is called Togbi Yovi. Togbi Yovi. Can you say that? Togbi Yovi. Wow, you getting it. So the final one for today, that's a stepson or a stepdaughter. A stepson or a stepdaughter in Ewe is called Atikomavi. 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 Can you see that? Atikomavi. Okay, I thank you. This is the part three of the family relation. And if you have anything that you want to know, or maybe I skip something that you want to know, write it at the comment section. And I'll be leaving my number behind. You can get in touch with me on WhatsApp, and I'll leave my email also at the bottom so that any question that you have, anything that you want to know in Ewe, I will help you so that we grow our language. Thank you.